too. All right, hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine, and we're here at the Handbuilt Motorcycle Show and bitchin' cars too. And I ran into my friend Joe. Joe, how are you?
Good.
Good.
How are
and,
you?
Oh, I'm great. Now, this is awesome. I heard about the show yesterday, so I had to come out here.
It's a great show.
Yeah, it's
really
great seeing you. I've seen some other friends too. But this is incredible. So tell us about your car.
Well, this is completely hand-built as much as I possibly could. We made the frame, we made the seats, the steering wheel, the gas tanks, everything I could possibly make, I made.
Wow.
Other than the motor, and the motor is a Chevy 350.
Okay.
The transmission is a 700R transmission, and the rear end is a Jaguar.
Wow. Yeah. Jag rear end with the independent suspension. And with the 350 here, you can go anywhere.
Yeah, it's just enough that we do burnouts and have fun, and that's what it's all about.
So, I mean, it definitely looks hand-built, right? And from what I understand, you're in the trade. You're a blacksmith?
Yes.
Wow.
So usually I'm working on somebody's house.
Right.
So I do staircases and whatever things for houses.
Right.
As a blacksmith, I was told to tell them, I shoe houses, not horses.
Okay.
So that's usually what I do. So in between jobs, I would make a steering wheel, or I'd make the seats, or I'd make this or that.
Right.
So it took over the course of about 7 years to finally get something I could drive around.
Right on. Yeah. And so it's a company truck. You just throw the iron on the top of it and run to a customer's house.
It's a driving business card for me.
Right, for sure. Now, I understand your daughter works with you.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's very cool. Like a couple of years ago, all of a sudden, what Dad does is cool. So she wanted to learn, and she was really passionate about it.
Right.
And she's really got the gift, So it's exciting to see her working and not letting me meddle in her. She wants to do it all by herself. And
right.
It's hard for me because I want to jump in there and do it.
Right.
But it's fun It's really cool working with my daughter.
That is cool. Yeah. That's really cool. I get the chance to work with my son too, and it's a lot of fun.
That's the best. I mean, that's kind of what it's all about.
Yeah.
Or so you hope for.
Well, thank you so much, man. It's such a cool car, and
thank you.
Great to see it around, and good luck on the show.
Thank you.
All right. Cool.
Hi, I'm Christina Michelle. Thank you for watching Blacktop TV. Ciao.